Welcome to the overview of the BB Patterns EA, built with FXDreema and powered by the MQLrobotEAs framework. This EA is designed to detect entry signals using Bollinger Band strategies, along with customizable trade logic and risk parameters. Before using this EA in live trading, it's essential to understand the underlying strategy, test thoroughly with 99.9% tick data, and evaluate the risk involved. The EA begins by checking for the absence of any active trade. If there's no open order, it evaluates whether a valid Bollinger Band signal has appeared, either a buy or a sell signal. Once a signal is identified, it updates the mode status using a custom variable and prepares to open a trade. Next, the EA uses the updated mode to determine whether to execute a buy or a sell trade. Once the signal and mode match, the EA immediately places a market order using the Buy Now or Sell Now block. The trade lot size is also captured and stored in a variable for future reference, which is particularly useful for position sizing in advanced strategies like martingale. This part handles the martingale logic. When there is already an open trade, the EA loops through existing trades using the For Each Trade block. It checks for nearby trade distances to avoid overtrading in close proximity. If no nearby trade is found and a valid BB signal appears, again the EA calculates the next trade lot using a formula, typically multiplying the previous lot by a custom factor. Then it places the next trade accordingly, creating a progressive trade sequence. The EA then checks whether current trades have hit their defined take-profit level. If so, all matching trades are closed using the Close Trades block. It also resets the key internal variables, such as the trade mode and candle state, preparing the EA for the next opportunity. This section counts candles while a mode is active. It ensures that conditions such as time-based filters or delays between trades are respected. This helps control the pacing of trade execution, especially in strategies requiring timing confirmation. Once conditions have been satisfied or expired, such as reaching a certain number of candles, the EA resets the internal trade mode and candle counter. This ensures that the EA returns to its default state before evaluating new trade opportunities. The final comment block serves as an annotation or marker. It's commonly used for debugging or visual hints during backtesting. Though it doesn't affect trade logic, it's helpful when analyzing the EA's behavior step by step. That wraps up this structural overview of the BB Patterns EA using FXDreema. Remember, before using any automated trading system, always conduct a thorough backtest using 99.9% tick data and understand the logic, risks, and behavior of the EA in various market conditions. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel MqlrobotEAs for more no-code Forex robot builds using FXDreema.